case here. Here he consumes only one good, either X or Y, depending upon the slope of the indifference curve. Okay, let us see first. Let me draw a diagram and tell you. First to draw the price line, PL. Let's say this is PL. Now if this is the PL, let's draw 3 ICs. Okay, let's draw 3 ICs. This is IC1, this is IC2, this is IC3. Let's say this point is E. You see the diagram? Price line is PL. You can give the name OX, OY. And we have 3 indifference curves, IC1, IC2, IC3. You see here, all the indifference curves are concave to, convex to the origin. It will be convex, it will be convex, it will be convex, it will be convex, it will be convex. किंतु एठी मतलब तुम कुह कंज्यूमर कोड सैटिस्फैक्शन पाइबो ये गोटे पॉइंट मन करो k is another point here. Will he get satisfaction in k? No, because it lies in IC1. If the k रे satisfaction से पाइबो ताले he can consume the bundle of goods from both x and y, but actually k is not the utility maximization point. The utility maximization point here is E, that is the price line and the indifference curve, they meet each other at a particular corner of the price line. You see, at this particular corner P, price line रो ए P corner रे indifference curve और price line परस्पर कौन कर चुन intersection है चुन तो एठी the consumer will be forced to consume only good X and he will not consume any of good Y and not any of good X. A point रे, E point रे, consumer will only consume OE amount of good Y and he will consume 0 amount of good X, because point E represents such a combination where he consumes 0 of good X and OE of good Y. So because it is a corner, the price line is tangent to the indifference curve 2 at point E at the corner, so the consumer will be equilibrium at point E by consuming only good Y, that is OE amount of good Y. This will give him maximum utility, not good X or any other point. Why? Now here the slope of the price line is greater than the slope of the indifference curve. देखो ये कौन है ना ये slope of IC is less than slope of price line. Slope of IC is flatter, indifference curve is flatter, but the price line is steeper. So the IC slope is less than slope of the price line. That is why the consumer will be forced to consume maximum amount of Y and no amount of X. So therefore here in the corner condition he will consume only good Y, no good X. Now similar may be the case with another case. Let's draw it. This is the price line. Let's say PL. Okay. Now here the ICs are flatter, but here the ICs are steeper. It will be very much steeper. Okay. Let's say This is IC1, IC2, IC3. Let's say this is a point E. This is good X, this is good Y. Now if these are the three ICs, here the ICs are also convex to the origin, no doubt. So here in this case, all the three ICs, they are convex to the origin, means they are valid ICs. So here, you can say here also, there is a point K where the price line is intersecting IC1, but this cannot be a good condition of utility. But point E, here point E is the maximum utility point, because here we can say the slope of IC is more than slope of price line. So slope of IC is more than the slope of the price line. You see here the price line is flatter, the IC is steeper. So because it is sloped because IC ro price line slope ta kam achi, therefore ethi the consumer will have no other option, no other point but point E, where he can have maximization of his utility, and he will consume OE of good X and zero quantity of good Y. Right? So therefore, here in this case, when the ICs are flatter or steeper, there the consumer is bound to or forced to consume only one commodity, either only commodity Y or only commodity X, so as to maximize his utility. Okay. Now in both these cases, the indifference curves are convex, but in case of concave, IC, what happens? Let's say this is price line PL. Now in case of concave IC, let's say this is IC1, this is IC2. Let me tell you, this is point A and this is point B. निजे को जदि आमर आईसी टा कनकेव हुए एमती एटा IC1 एटा IC2 ताहले मैक्सिमम यूटिलिटी से कोड पाइबो, मैक्सिमम यूटिलिटी कोड हबो ए रे हबो ना बी रे हबो, अनडाउटेडली एट पॉइंट बी एठी बी रे हबो, ए रे काहे कि हबनी ना ए होची IC1 रे अछि एटा IC2 रे अछि। फर्स्ट कथा। सेकेंड कथा होची बहुत इंपोर्टेंट कथा होची काहे कि पॉइंट बी रे हबो जोटी से केवल गुड एक्स कंज्यूम करिवो गुड वाई कंज्यूम करिवो, केवल काहे कि हबो ना एठी ता रीजन होची एमआरएस एक्स वाई इज राइजिंग। ये केस रे इंडिफरेंस कर्व रो marginal rate of substitution x per y is rising, not falling. So when MRS is rising and MRS of x and y of the price line is constant, because you see the price line is a straight line, linear line. Here MRS constant, but here MRS xy is rising instead of falling, it is rising. If IC is convex to origin, then MRS xy falls. But if it is concave to origin, then MRS xy rises. So because here MRS xy is rising, therefore the consumer cannot have a stable, a good or a rational maximization of utility if he consumes bundle of goods x and y. Rather, he will be getting maximum utility if he consumes only either point B or only only good x or only good y. Therefore, we have seen here that there are two conditions. One is, first is tangency condition and second is corner condition of utility maximization. Okay, so the consumer will have the maximum utility according to the slope of the IC, because here the slope of the IC and slope of PL are equal at this point. It's all right. He goes to consume the bundle of various bundles of goods of X and Y. But here, and here, the slope of the IC, slope of the price line never are equal. Therefore, we go for the corner condition, where the IC and the price line, they intersect each other, meet each other at the particular corner of the price line. There, the consumer will be forced to get only X, good X, or only good Y, and there he can maximize his utility. Okay, so this is all about the conditions of utility maximization. Ajiti thau, next time we shall discuss out on यूनिट रे देखिए। Thank you. Have a nice time.